Here we have a question. Does one species in an ecosystem affect the population of another species? And we will know our answer through this game. Here we have to click the 3 different species that we have in this ecosystem. The first one is our microorganism. So this is a layer of microorganisms. It's found on the surface of the sea. These microorganisms can make their own food. We consider them as producers. They are found in cold weather. Small fish feed on these microorganisms. Let's click on the other organisms that we have. These are a group of small fish that can be found in the sea. They feed on the microorganisms that we just talked about. These fish are the main source of food for many sea birds. And these sea birds nest on the top of the mountain cliffs. They dive deep down the sea to feed on the small fish. هم عايشين على أرض مرتفعة بجانب البحر. If we here increase the water temperature and the sun will make the water warmer, we need to see what will happen. We will increase the water temperature, and here's the sun. We need to observe what will happen. We can see that some of the fish have disappeared because the microorganisms cannot survive in this warm weather. So they either die, and the fish will die as well because they need cooler water. And they will not find any food to eat. So they either die or they can go somewhere else. And what about the seabirds? Let's look closely. We will observe that they will either move away because of the hot weather or their number will decrease because they got affected by the climate change. So they will either go to a new place to get food or they will die. هيروحوا لبيئة جديدة يبحثوا عن الغذاء أو حيفنوا. Excellent. Our observation help us to know how climate changes, for example, how high the temperature affects all organisms. And now we can answer the question in your book. Let's review our answers.
شوف الحلقة كاملة من خلال تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا مستقبل يبدأ الآن.